So I went to Michael's to see if there's like tie-dyed, but they were all sold out. So what I did, I googled it and I found out that food color can do the job. I don't know where to buy those ketchup dispensers, so what I did, I drank those 4 bottles of water and start making the tie-dye. I used the TNA hoodies that has stain on it. I just want to try it if this will work, but let's see. So I just keep rolling it to, my desired design. So just keep on rolling, keep on burning, rolling, rolling on the river. River, toot, 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 toot. So I used 4 rubber band on it, and I made sure that all proportion. See? Okay, I think I used the red one first for the first color. Turns so good. Like, I used those neon colors. Look at that. They are so beautiful. Red, green, blue. I am so excited to see this tomorrow. They said it's gonna be like you have to wait for 8 hours to 24 hours. Make sure they are all even. Look at that. Now they're even. Just put the color on it. Same thing.